Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's story guys, I'm going to show you how to draft replies in Outlook with Copilot. So here is how to draft an email message with Copilot in Outlook using the Microsoft support team informations. So if you're unable to access Copilot in Outlook, check with your IT admin, this is the first thing, but overall this is how you can do it. So there are two ways to draft a message with Copilot: within the Copilot box in the email message area and within the chat. First of all, we can draft in the email message area. So in new Outlook, select home, then new email, and to start a new message, select the Copilot icon as you will be seeing here. From the toolbar above the blank email and select draft. From the drop down menu, if you don't see the icon in the toolbar, select the Copilot icon or draft with Copilot text in the email message area. And it should look something like that. In the Copilot box, type your prompt or select and edit one of the suggested prompts from the drop down. When you're finished, select the generate arrow. Copilot drafts a message for you, then review the message. If it's not quite what you want, do one of the following. Choose one of the options in the drop-down to modify length, tone, or try the same prompt again. Enter a new prompt and select generate arrow again, and when you're satisfied with the result, select keep it. Note that the sensitivity level of the draft may change if the sensitivity assigned to the generated output is higher than the draft level. Edit the draft as needed and then select send. By selecting text in an email message, click on the Copilot button and selecting one of the available options, you can use Copilot to modify the selection. Now, the other method, which is within the chat. So open Outlook and start a new email, as you can see, very normal. In the email message area, click help me write or help me reply to begin collaborating with Copilot chat, and it will open up for you. As you can see, it will open up on the right, and simply you can write down your prompt in there. It should give you the email that you want, and simply it will generate it for you as a draft. Of course, you can fix it, work on it, and basically write another prompt to make it better. And there guys, that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming video.